Clean any excess glue with isopropyl alcohol. Open and clean the milling chamber. Remove these two screws. Place the base part inside the milling chamber as shown. Loosely install 3 of the supplied screws. Pull the base piece towards you, tighten the middle screw, then the left screw, then the right screw. Clean this surface with isopropyl alcohol and allow to dry. Remove the backing from the double-sided sticky tape. Loosely place the frame in position. Push the frame up to form a good seal. Now tighten these 2 screws. Install the polycarbonate cover with the 2 cutouts over the screws. Use the handle on the top right to open and close the cover.